Hello, everyone. Welcome to another review for our students. Okay, we will be focusing on yin-yang theory, still under TCM Foundations. Let's welcome Sir Harold of Cebu. Good afternoon, Sir Harold.
Oh,
True
good
or
afternoon.
false?
Good
Yes,
afternoon,
good
everyone.
afternoon. True or false? Yin and yang are concrete concepts.
False. They are abstract
Abstract.
concepts.
True or false? Yin and yang describe the relationship between things, not the actual things themselves.
Uh, True.
In the context of temperature, which is more yang, hot or cold?
Hot.
Contraction and descending are considered more yin or more yang.
It is more yin.
Between fire and water, in relation to dryness and moisture, respectively, which is yin and which is yang.
Fire is yang, while water is yin.
Between day and night, in relation to light and dark, respectively, which is yin and which is yang.
Yang is a day, and yin is night.
Between matter and energy, in relation to material and immaterial, respectively, which is yin and which is yang.
Yin is matter, while yang is energy.
Cold chi will give birth to what type of yin?
Turbid or cloudy or opaque.
Hot chi will give birth to what type of yang?
Clear. The antonym of turbid.
True or false? Treatment of disease should be based on the roots.
True, because yin yang are the roots and beginnings of birth and destruction.
Classify the seasons as yin or yang in relation to general phenomenon. Winter, spring, summer, and fall. Parang kanta.
Mhm. Spring and summer are yang, whereas autumn and winter are yin.
In the context of general phenomenon, is yin more porous or dense?
Uh, Dense.
In the context of general phenomenon, does yang generate or grow?
Generate.
In the context of general phenomenon, is yin male or female?
A female.
Is relative stasis or unmoving more yin or yang?
Yin.
Is outward more yin or more yang? Out,
Yang.
yeah. Name a concept that is entirely yin. 100%.
Non-existent.
Uh,
Non-existent because there's no such thing as 100% yin or 100% yang.
okay, so this is important, huh? Yeah. How would you describe yin in the context of diagnostic parameters?
Internal cold deficiency, chronic,
Okay, so yin ito ha. Internal
yin.
is yin, cold is yin, deficiency is yin, chronic is yin. So the opposite, ang yang,
Yang, the opposite is external hot, exists, and acute.
weight. Is yang heavy or light?
Yang is light.
For yang excess, what is the treatment?
So if there is excess in yang, drain yang,
Yin excess, what do you do?
uh, drain yin.
Or you do moksha, no?
Uh,
For yin deficiency, what is the treatment?
Nourish and enrich yin.
For yang deficiency, what is the treatment?
Tonify, also known as increase the available energy of yang.
What treatment would involve transforming accumulated yin?
Yang deficiency.
Okay. What treatment would involve calming or clearing heat?
Yin deficiency.
Describe the concept of mutual opposition as it relates to yin and yang.
Everything in nature has two opposing aspects that counterbalance and control one another through inhibition, restraint, or repression, and repulsion, repelling.
What does yin and yang are rooted in one another mean?
So it means there is interdependence. There is no day without night, no good without evil, no rest without activity, and no contraction without expansion.
So that means we describe the yin in relation to yang. Diba?
Yes.
Dapat may yang para o may yang or
Uh,
yin.
uh,
Yeah. How do
there is
yin
an
and
opposite.
yang counterbalance each other? Counterbalance, ha? Opposite.
Uh, Through mutual consumption, the process of quantitative change.
Okay. Day and night. Yan. What does the consumption of yin lead to? Naubos yung yin. What will happen when the yin is consumed?
The gaining of yang.
What does consumption of yang lead to?
Of course, the gaining of yin.
Of course. True or false? There is fixed divisibility of yin and yang.
That is false. Yin and yang are infinitely divisible.
Okay. Hindi siya natatapos.
Mhm.
What does mutual convertibility mean in relation to yin and yang?
Intertransformation or the process of qualitative change. Yin and yang are always subtly transforming into one another.
Okay. So that means yin can convert to yang
Mm,
can become yin. Inhaling, then exhaling, activity, rest,
mm.
sudden raptures. True or
Yes,
false, yin and yang are fundamental categories of all phenomena.
true.
What are the five principles of yin and yang?
Yin and yang are the fundamental categories of all phenomena. Yin and yang are rooted in one another. Yin and yang counterbalance each other. Mutual convertibility of yin and yang transform into each other. And yin and yang are divisible.
What are the four aspects of yin and yang? Kanina principles,
On,
aspects.
namely, interdependence, mutual consumption, opposition, and intertransformation.
Yeah, so I am me, moi in French. In the context of physiology, how do the head or limbs relate to the trunk in terms of yin and yang?
Head our limbs equals yang, while trunk is yin.
So if you relate the head and limbs to the trunk, yang siya. If you relate the
Uh,
trunk to the head, yin siya. In relation to Zhangfu organs, which organs are considered yin?
the liver, the heart, the spleen, the lung, and the kidney.
In relation to Zhangfu organs, which are considered yang organs?
Gallbladders, small intestine, stomach, large intestine, and urinary bladder.
Is Zhang or viscera physiologically more yin or more yang?
It's more yin.
Okay, Zhang is solid. Yeah. Is Fu or bowels physiologically more yin or yang?
It's more yang.
In the context of physiology, is the process of circulation more yin or yang?
Yang.
Okay, kailangan siyang gumalaw, no?
Because
Is generation of blood more yin or yang?
yin.
Yeah, because blood has ano oxygen, di ba? In the context of physiology, is the process of metabolism more yin or yang?
It's more yang.
So, pag sinabi mabilis ang metabolism, ano yon? Yang or yin?
Yang. Yang.
Is the generation of perspiration more yin or yang?
Yin. It's more yin.
So, yin na yin kapag nagpepper.
Hmm.
How does occurrence of disease occur as related to yin and yang?
The occurrence of disease results from a loss of relative balance between yin and yang.
Very good. So, it's basically balancing the yin and yang. That's what we
Balance.
as a pathological force, what might excess yang chronically lead to?
It will lead to yin vacuity or emptiness.
Or deficiency, no? Or
Uh,
nawawala siya. What might excess yin chronically lead to? Excess yung yin.
yang vacuity.
Okay. The light or white part of the circle is yin or yang.
Yang.
The dark or black part is
The yin. A yin.
what does the yang yin circle represent?
The meaning of the universe itself.
The yang part is considered what?
The active or heavenly power in the universe.
The blank in the world comes from this heavenly active power. So does blank.
The light in the world comes from this heavenly active power. So does fire.
Okay. What did the Chinese say about the yang?
It is the sunny south side of a mountain
Why did the Chinese say the yang is the north bank of a river?
because on a sunny day, the river looks bright from the north.
Yeah, yun. The yin
Oh,
part is thought to be what?
the yin is the passive or earthly power in the universe.
From this passive of earthly power in the universe comes what?
Darkness, shadow, and water.
Yin is the what of a mountain.
The shady north side of Mount.
Okay. Yin is blank of a river because
Yan is south bank of a river because on a sunny day, the river looks dark from the south.
have you experienced that? Nakapunta ka naman ng river. Oo nga,
This
no?
situation, no?
Yun pala yun. Ay, oo, madilim yung... Okay, tinan ko nga bukas.
mm.
South bank of a river, no? Yeah. That on a sunny day, the river looks dark from the south. Okay. Yang is the blank. Yin is the blank.
Yang is the warmth of the sun, while Yan is the coolness of the shade.
Each part of yin and yang can blank.
Can change into each other as summer changes into winter and day into night.
The ancient philosophers who designed the yang yin symbol, what did they know about it?
Very few things in the world are all light or dark, all shady or all sunny.
Okay. Because the ancient philosophers knew that very few things in the world are all light or all dark. What did they do?
They made a little dot of the white yang color in the black yin part of the circle, and they made a little dot of the black yin color in the white yang part of the circle.
Wow. Now you know the history.
Mm. Uh,
The Chinese symbol represents all things in the world that are blank and represents the belief that life was blank.
Chinese symbol represents that all things in the world that are opposites and represent that life was created out of these opposites working together.
Yeah, kaya may yin and yang. They work
Mm.
together. The martial arts principles of blank show what?
The martial arts principles of hard and soft show opposites as referred to in the yin yang philosophy.
Yeah, kaya pala may hard, may soft.
Mm.
How does the Chinese concept of yin yang differ with the Western medicine logic of comparing a pair of contraries?
The Chinese concept of yin yang is radically different from the Western medicine of a pair of contraries cannot be both true, that in yin and yang represents opposite but complementary qualities. One said thing cannot be its opposite. Next, yin contains the seed of yang so that yin can transform into yang and vice versa.
Hmm. Why do you think left pertains to yang and right pertains to yin?
The sun rises in the east, and that is yang movement. The sun sets in the west, yin movement.
Okay. Why does round pertain to yang and square pertain to yin?
Because ancient Chinese farmers conceived heaven is around as a round ball and earth as flat. Heaven
Sakto lagay
is
ko pa.
heaven is where the sun is young, while earth is below heaven and can be parceled out into fields. Yin.
How do yin and yang relate to the four seasons?
Spring or dawn is yang within yin, yang. Summer, midday, upmost, yang. Autumn, dusk, yin within yang, yin. Winter night, uh, upmost, yin. Spring and summer are yang, and autumn and winter are yin.
Okay. You are by a lake on a very hot day and you observe the vapor rising from the surface of the water. How do you interpret this in terms of yin and yang?
Condensation is a yin state of matter, while evaporation is a yang state of matter. Both are of the same matter of water. The water of the lake is yin. The heat of the sun, yang, transform the yin water into a more dispersed, subtle form of yang.
Now you know.
Uh,
Describe the relationship of the opposition of yin and yang.
the relationship of yin yang in opposition is that everything contains the seed of its opposite. The opposition of yin yang is not intrinsic but only relative to something else. They never, uh, they are never present in 50 state but constantly changing balance. Nothing is totally yin or totally yang. For example, meat is considered yang, but within this category, uh, chicken is yin compared to lamb, which is more yang than chicken.
So that means kailangan may comparison ka, no?
Uh, uh,
You cannot just say meat is yang. You have to say it is more yang than chicken or it is yin in relation to lamb because lamb meat is hotter than pork meat, no? Describe the relationship of the interdependence of yin and yang.
yin yang are opposites but also interdependent in that one cannot exist without the other. There cannot be activity yang uh, without rest yin.
Malalim, no? Describe the relationship of the mutual consumption of yin and yang.
Yin and yang are in a constant state of dynamic balance, never in a static state of 50-50 proportions, which is maintained by a continuous adjustment of their relative levels.
What are the four possible states of imbalance in mutual consumption of yin and yang? This is quite important because we will be doing syndrome differentiation, no? And it is only when you are able to accurately identify the imbalance that you can have a very good treatment. What are the four?
Uh, First is the preponderance of yen consumes yang. This is primarily an excess condition, excess of yin causing yang deficiency and cold. Second is as a consequence of deficient yin, yang appears in excess, primarily a deficient condition. Yin deficiency with deficiency type heat symptoms. Third is preponderance of yang consumes yen, primarily an excess condition, excess of yang causing yin deficiency and heat. Fourth is as a consequence of deficient yang, yin appears in excess. primarily a deficient condition. Yang deficiency with a deficient type called symptoms.
Okay, so the first one is excess yin, no?
Ay,
Okay, pag excess yin, you consume the yang. Okay, that's why it's called, yeah. If you have excess yin, you will cause yang deficiency and cold. Sobra yung yin eh. So you consume the yang. Now, so if you have yin deficiency, no, the yin is very deficient, there will be excess. The yang will appear to be in excess. Kasi, di ba, we always compare the yin with the yang. So if one is deficient, the one will be relatively in excess. Okay? So this will be primarily a deficient condition. Okay? So that means it is yin deficient with deficiency type, pero may heat siya, heat symptom, no? Kulang sa yin. Then next would be yang excess. Pag yang excess, we consume the yin. So excess of yang will cause yin deficiency and heat, right? Mainit yan eh. As a consequence of yang deficiency, so the yin will appear to be in excess. So this is a deficient condition primarily. So you will have deficient type cold symptoms. That means the patient feels cold because of yang deficiency. Okay. Describe the relationship of the intertransformation of yin and yang.
yin and yang are not static, but actually transform into each other. These changes do not happen at random, but only at certain stages of development of something. The euphoria of drinking, the euphoria of a drinking spree is quickly followed the next morning by the misery of a hangover. Primarily, internal conditions and external conditions secondarily. An egg turns into a chick with an application of heat. When the time is ripe, a rock can change into a chick with the application of heat. When the time is ripe,
So, malalim nun ah.
hmm,
So they are not static. No, that means they continually transform into each other. Now
hmm.
explain the relationship between liver blood and liver qi in terms of yin and yang. Now this is also very important, especially if we deal with the eyes, no? And also menstruation ng babae. Liver blood and liver qi.
The liver stores blood, and this represents its yin aspect as its structure. On the other hand, the liver controls the flow of qi in all parts of the body, and this represents its
Okay.
yang aspects and its function.
Mhm. So here you could actually see that the structure, which is the yin, and the function, which is the yang, are interdependent. Diba? Function is yang, structure is yin. Mention at least 5 examples of the opposition of yin and yang in symptomatology.
Yang yin manifestations, rapid onset, uh, gradual onset, rapid pathological changes, lingering disease, coarse breathing, shallow or weak breathing, thirst, no thirst, scanty dark urination, profuse pale urination, constipation, loose stools, full pulse, empty pulse.
Okay, so you have here the yang
Mm.
manifestations versus the yin manifestations.
Mm.
So we all know that if you have scanty dark urine, that's yang. Empty pulse is yin. No? Lingering disease is yin. When yin is deficient, what happens to yang?
When yin is deficient, yang appears in excess. This is not an excess type condition. It is primarily a deficient condition. Yin deficiency with relative deficient heat symptoms.
Okay, so one might think na excess ito kasi there will be heat, no? But actually, this is heat arising from a deficient condition. No? Diba? So when yin is deficient, the yang will appear to be in excess. Okay, when yang is preponderant, what happens to the yin?
When yang is in excess, yin is consumed. This is primarily an excess condition.
Okay, relate excess of yin yang and deficiency of yin yang to heat and cold, full or empty.
In deficient yin yang, the deficient condition is primary with the result being relative excess of yang yin leading to empty cold heat.
Okay. Um, let's start with excess of yin or excess of yang. So that means the primary condition is excess.
Mm.
Because of this excess, you will now have consumption of the yang or yin. So this will lead to full cold or full heat. In deficient yin or deficient yang, the deficient condition is primary. So that means this will lead to a relative excess of the opposite, no? That's why you have empty heat or empty cold. Yin is the blank basis of yang.
Material.
Yang is the blank manifestation of yin.
uh, Yang is the functional manifestation of yin.
Okay. The concept of yin and yang with regards to the channels. Okay. Tayo, we will memorize the channels with regards to the yin and yang concept, no? Yung anim. Okay.
Tai yin with yang ming.
Okay. When you say Tai yin, that's greater yin.
Tai yin.
Yang ming, that's yang brightness, no? So Tai yin would be lungs and spleen. No, yin na yin yan sila. Okay? While yang ming is stomach and large intestine. So if you remember, talagang magka-partner. You know why? Hmm? Ano ulit yung tai yin, greater yin, Sir Harold? You have the lungs and the spleen, right? That means
Mm.
greater yung kanilang pagka-yin. That means they have the tendency to form phlegm, which is yin. Kailangan na huwag mo masyadong isubject sa yin. And then yung partner nila would be yang ming to balance off. Ano ba to? Yang brightness. Hmm? So, yang ming would be large intestine and stomach, right? Sino nga yung partner ni lungs? Si large intestine, di ba? Remember? Sinong partner ni stomach? Si spleen.
Mm.
Are you more confused? Okay.
Mm.
Actually, we would call Tai Yin as the uh, ano ba to? The lung channel of Han Tai Yin. Hmm? And then the foot Tai Yin would be the spleen channel of foot Tai Yin. Yung Yang Ming naman, we will call it, there are actually two, lungs and the large intestine and the stomach. So the Yang Ming uh, hand would be um, hand Yang Ming of the no, wait lang. Large intestine channel of Han Yang Ming, while the uh,
Foot yang Ming,
yeah, Foot Yang Ming.
the stomach.
Yeah, so they should be together. Does it make sense? Oh, kasi if you're going to analyze carefully, the lung and the large intestine are interiorly, exteriorly related. And the large intestine and the stomach and the spleen are interiorly, exteriorly related. Now let's go to Juyin. Juyin is Ma'am Trix, terminal yin, di ba? Or Atmos yin. While Shaoyang is lesser yang. Siyempre, pag terminal na yung yin ng isa, konti na lang yung yang nung kabila. Now, Jueyin, as we all know, is um, liver and pericardium, right? Liver is the foot yin, a foot yin, while pericardium is the hand yin. Okay, it should partner with, ano ba yung Shaoyang? Mom Tricks. Your
Gall
yes, gallbladder
gallbladder
and your
and
Sanjiao.
sun
Gallbladder is foot or
foot
hand?
shell foot.
Foot. So it should partner with the foot din. Sino bang partner ni gallbladder? Interior, exterior. Yung partner niya would be the liver, right? While the Sanjiao, partner niya si pericardium. So, yan yung concept ng yin and yang. And finally, we have Shao Yin with Tai Yang. Shao Yin is lesser yin. That's heart and kidneys. Tai Yang is urinary bladder and small intestine, right? Hmm. Sino ba partner ni heart? Small intestine, right?
SI.
Yeah,
Mm-mm.
SI. So, lesser yin should partner with greater yang. I think that's that's logical, no? So as early as now, we want you to be very, very familiar with the names. Okay? Hindi yung para tayong mga, okay. Even if we do the ear, okay? Spring. Ano yung yin yang ano nito, Sir Harold? Spring is,
That is yang within yin.
okay. Ano ba ang nangyari before spring? What is the season before spring?
Winter?
Yes,
At
so yin siya,
winter?
di ba? Then pumasok yang yang. Summer.
Oh, yin.
Okay, summer. What came before summer?
Uh, Spring.
Okay, so how would you cut? Anong ano nito? Yin yang.
Summer is yang within yang.
Yes. Okay, pag fall. What came before fall?
Summer.
Okay. Summer is young. Ano ba tong fall? Remember,
Fall
fall
is
na.
yin within yang.
Yes. And winter, what went before winter? Sige, imagine mo
Summer.
meron tayo. Hindi before winter
Ah,
ano?
Winter. Wait.
Halata ka talagang native. Kunwari, kunwari nasa China tayo, katulad ng
Fall. Fall. Before
fall.
winter is fall.
Ano ba yung
Fall.
fall? So, ano to?
Yin within yin.
Very good. 12 a.m. to 6 a.m.
Uh, that is yang within yin.
Okay, kasi gabi yan before 12
Ah,
midnight, di ba? Yes, wow. 6 a.m. to 12 p.m.
uh, yang within uh, yin.
No,
Yang within yang. Yang within yang.
mainit na yan. 12 p.m. to 6 p.m.
Uh, Yin within yang.
So young muna siya tapos nagpung yin.
Ah, ah,
Next, 6 p.m. to 12 p.m. Nako, ito na.
Yen within yen.
Okay. Kasi 620 na. Okay. In terms of the relationship between physiological function and form, Blanc transforms things while Blanc gives them shape.
Yang transforms things while yen gives them shape.
Okay. What is the etiology of excess yang? Why do some people develop excess yang?
Uh, Invasion of external yang type pathogens like wind, summer, heat, fire. Next, emotion disorders like anger, resentment.
Mhm.
Uh, uh, Another is diet, spicy and hot, coffee, eh, alcohol, fried food. Better to steam or boil food.
Okay. So there. Yung isa dyan, ano sa palagay mo? Excess yang? So yung mga excess yang, bawal na ang spicy, ha? Mm. Okay. Alcohol, oh, over 40 to 50%. Fried food. Okay? So you should know what to advise the patient. I think it's about time that we educate the people in the barangay about this. Now, what about etiology of excess yin?
Invasion of yen type external pathogens like cold, dampness, dryness. Next is diet, raw, cold, slippery foods like seaweeds, ice water. Third is this emotion disorder like stress and depression.
Okay. What about deficient yang or yang deficiency? Kulang ang yang. What causes it?
A chronic stage of invasion of yen pathogens, overworking, too much sex, a chronic stage of overeating yen food.
Okay. So alam na natin yan, ha? Especially when you feel the pulse, no? And etiology of deficient yin.
A chronic stage of invasion of young pathogens. Next is overworking, too much studying. Next is a chronic stage of overeating young food.
Okay. What are the symptoms of excess yang?
These are the symptoms. One is great fever. Next, gr- great thirst or desire for cold drinks. Great sweating. Great pulse, overflowing, forceful and fast, over 90 per minute. Other symptoms, red face over uh, all face, throbbing headache, red tongue body, dark yellow urination, loud voice.
Okay. Now you know. Now let's go
Mm.
to excess yin. What are the symptoms?
Uh, Pale face, aversion to cold, chills, shivering, cold extremities, no sweating, normal tongue body, thin white coating, superficial floating, and tight pulse like twisted rope. All above symptoms cannot be released by warming.
Okay. What about deficient yang?
Uh, Pale face, fatigue and weakness, cold extremities, impotence, premature ejaculation, lower libido, clear and frequent urination, cold pain, desire for warming and touching. All symptoms can be relieved by warming. Tongue body pale, swollen with teeth marks, white coating, wet, moistened. Pulse is deep, weak, and slow.
Okay, finally, symptoms of deficient yin.
Menopause syndrome, hot flash, night sweating, red cheeks, low grade fever, not over 100,
Or not over.
tidal fever, 5 to 7 p.m. Thirsty, dry mouth, but only sip water at night. Tongue body red and small, filled with cracks. Map geographic coating, maybe yellow or mirror. Pulse deep, weak, thin, and fast.
Okay, thank you so much.
Uh,
Congratulations, Sir Harold. I hope you were able to
yeah,
internalize everything. So, see you
yeah,
next time.